Okay.
Am I recording? Record and pause, stop recording. Okay, I think I'm recording, yes.
Huh?
Can you hear me?
It's a little. Hello?
Hello, hello.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Why
Why
there's
there's it
here?
here?
I
I,
can
I
hear
can hear. You can hear me?
I can
I
hear
can hear,
but I
but I
hear
hear
oh,
multiple calls.
mm, weird. Hello.
Hello?
How about now?
I can hear you. I don't know if you can hear me. I think it's
I can hear you, yes. Okay. Okay, let me see how I can hide this stuff. Okay. Um, okay, back here. So the purpose, let me write down the purpose. Oops, let me like this. Okay, so the purpose is to identify the key factors influencing the late delay or what key factors cause the late delivery.
yeah.
Right. So we'll identify factors, count it, percentage, visualize. And so first thing, if you look at the data, we can see we have type, and we have to first filter out the late delivery risk is one.
Mm.
Because if you look at the data, original data sets, so late delivery risk, if it's one, meaning it's late.
Okay.
Yeah, so first thing we have to do is to filter the data sets that's the risk equal one. Okay, now code. So you can set first step. Maybe you can put some like description. Filter uh risk equal one means the delivery is late.
Okay.
Um, okay. And then here's where we can use ChatGPT. So let's just give a code. Just basically, I just give everything to GPT.
Yeah.
This is the code. So and then what we want to do is we want to create a data frame. Uh, create a data frame and then description that filter the risk equal one. Delivery is late. So equal one. And then the column name, we just give it a column name. The column name is late deliver risk. Go on. Oh, and then I'll also give the oh yeah, take like this. Um is the column. Okay, let's see what it gave us. Oh, it use Sparks. It use Py PySpark. Um, yeah, but anyway, it works. Let's
Okay.
just take a look.
But we don't have to use SQL in this project, SQL.
To be honest, I think it's better we use SQL. Create used SQL.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, I think it's better we stay consistent. Use everything to SQL. Read. Okay, so we have run the first one. So now we just need to run the rest. So uh yeah, like this.
Okay. And then also one question is, so you found the late deliveries thing in the data set, right?
Yes.
So where, like, how do I see all the other um things that I have to do that for in that set? I just have to figure it out.
Can you say the question again?
Like, so can you go back to the data set, please?
Yes, sure.
So in this, the late delivery risk, right? That's
Um,
one of them. That's only one of the things on the chart that we're making, or it's the whole chart.
oh, good question. So we only care about the delivery that's late. So for example, if you see here, um, so here from here you can see the first record
Yeah.
and the late delivery risk is one, meaning this record is a late delivery.
Okay.
And then there's, for example, record two, the late delivery risk is zero, meaning this delivery is on time.
Okay.
And the reason why we filter it out is because we only want to calculate the factors that affects the late delivery. So we filter out the delivery that is on time.
Oh, okay, okay.
Does that answer your question?
Yes. So that's the only thing that I will be doing it for, right? Just the late delivery risk.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Yes, okay. I just thought so I
Mm-hmm.
want to like list out the reasonings of why it's late and then do the percentage for each of those reasonings. You know,
Uh,
in my thing I wrote like some examples of why it can be late.
mm-hmm.
So we're not given that, right?
Uh, I think it depends. Like, for example, you have to see if your reasoning is based on the result. For example, if you actually observe the shipping malls tend to have longer lead times, making more prone to delay. Yeah, it could be true, but you have to speak from the data.
Okay.
Like if the data really show the shipping mode, the sender class has caused more late delivery, it's suggested that you can have this reasoning. But if no, then it's not based on the truth.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so I think this is good. This is like when you finish this, um, you can work on that maybe later next week, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think the key thing is that when you have created this figure, I think the main part has finished.
Yeah, so
Yes.
like in this graph, see all
Mm-hmm.
different reasons. It's like wrong supplier, excess count, you count. So mine is only gonna be like late delivery risk on the whole x-axis.
Oh, no. So on the x-axis, hmm, let's take a look.
Right? Because that's just
Um,
getting.
Yeah, actually, you point out a good things. Delay status advanced shipping native. Wait, shipping late delivery. Ah, yeah, that's a good question. Actually, I didn't look at the data in detail.
Yeah, because it doesn't give the reasons of why it's late. It's just saying the late risk,
Uh-huh.
late delivery risk, but it's not saying why. And that other chart has the reasons of why.
Mm, okay. Yeah, let's brainstorming together. Let's see what we can do about it. Yeah, that's good call. That's true. Um,
Maybe we could just do the graph for that line for that just the late delivery risk. So it'll be like frequency and then percentage.
so isn't that 100%? You mean like just
Oh,
one
yeah.
stuff here?
But
Then
so
yeah,
then it because we have two of the sets, right? We have can you go back to the data, please?
this one or this one?
The other one.
Yes, I can.
Or where was the one that you were showing that? Oh yeah, I think it is this one where this one is shipping. Where does it say the shipping thing? Risk, late delivery risk.
Oh, here, later.
Yeah, so this one is 0, right? And then
Yeah,
the one is 1.
yeah.
So maybe we can do both of them in one chart or no?
Okay, then what we are creating is to say like the percentage of,
Late delivery risk between all of the deliveries.
yeah, like the percentage of products that are late and the percentage of products that are on time.
Yeah.
Mm, yeah, I think that's a good one, but I think we probably can do that in the dashboard
Okay.
easily. I think that's more like a visualization of the situation, and I think the part we're trying to do here, like you and I, we're trying to do here is we have to do something with finding some insights from the data, like for example, what caused the lead delivery.
Okay.
Yeah, although we cannot do that now because it seems like they don't have the reason here. So maybe we can think about what we can do here beside from root cause analysis. Let me take a look.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm. 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 Type of transaction. I think one thing maybe we can do is maybe check the order status and shipping mode.
Okay.
Um, for example, when we filter out and then we can see if like which shipping mode has the most day delivery.
Is it showing the which shipping mode it's going from?
Yeah, status. Um, so maybe like, oops. Okay, let me try. Um, so instead of, so I think what we can do, okay, maybe let me check, you know, calculate the percentage risk. Um, late delivery risk. If I calculate different shipping mode and using Sequel. Okay. Let's think. Okay. Let's look. Yeah. Shipping. Okay. Let's look. Oh, okay. I see. Using here. Last. Oh, okay. All right. So, um, it seems like uh shipping mode. Do you know what shipping mode mean? Like, what does like standard class, first class, second class, same data? What does that mean?
Yeah.
Oh, what does that mean?
Oh, it means like how fast it'll come, right?
How fast is ship? Like same day.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, yeah, I think that is something you can research about the data. Like, what does each things mean? Like standard class, maybe it will ship within 3 to 5 days, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, Sunday count everything. Oh, okay, but I think we see a trend. At least I think we find something here. So,
Mhm.
for example, the day delivery percentage for first class is actually higher, and like standard class, maybe just like it ship slowly, so usually it's not late.
Yeah.
Okay, nice, nice. We have a finding here. Um,
But are we only comparing two of them?
compare.
In the data set, it's only two deliveries we're comparing, or is there like a lot?
Can you say the question again?
In the data set that we're looking at,
Mhm.
um, You know the one you're showing me where we would see late delivery risk one?
Mm-hmm. Oh, later risk one. Also, actually, what we are doing is we calculate the percentage of the late delivery. So it's actually like the for this percentage. For example, for first class, 95%, it means like the it's like oh record, and then record that risk equal 1, like this.
Okay. Yeah, so
Uh,
we're
mhm.
just there's only two of those data sets, right?
Actually, this one I just directly use the original data set. Like I didn't filter out like the late delivery equal 1 actually.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yeah. It's a little bit confusing because but I use the original data set.
Okay.
Cool. Let's see what else we can do. So yeah, I think okay, this is kind of similar, like root cause. Maybe we
Yeah.
can see like we can try to expand more here. Why first class has more late delivery? 95%. What can we dig deeper? Mm, Product category code. Okay, this is like, okay, okay. Yeah, I think we can do something like this. Product category code. Uh, okay, cool. This is cool. Category ID. Calculates the number of, calculates the number of type of category ID. Let's check this first. So what I'm thinking is now we identify the first class is the most prone to late delivery.
Okay.
The next thing we can check is maybe there's 10 types of category and which type of category are more prone to being late delivered. For example, maybe it's like large furniture or I don't know, whatever. Let's see. Let me put the code here, text. I did this one. Name, delivered by shipping from by letter, make first class delivery, a delivery breaks down by product category. And then we can do is um number of product categories. Function Oh, okay. Category ID. Um, category ID. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, okay. There's 51. Great, great, great. This is good. So 51. So there's 51 type of category. Next thing we can do is to now identify the percentage. Okay, so right now what we want to do is create a new data set that um I have a class right now. Let me check what's the class. Chapter 6. Okay, I can keep going if you're fine with it. I can just like walk you through all the coding. So maybe you don't need to code, but you might need to like understand it and then like elaborate and like put description.
Okay, no, I think I understand now. So for the next ones, I'll just like rewatch this
Yeah.
video and see how to do it myself because I want to do it too.
You want to do it today? Sure.
And
But yes,
after, so I don't have like anything due tonight or anything, or even tomorrow. So we're meeting on Thursday, right?
yes,
The group. So before then, we can meet one more time and then you can go over all the coding and stuff that I did just to make sure it's good.
sure. That sounds good.
Okay.
Yes, thank you for like wanting to trying this.
Yeah, yeah, no.
Um, then can you briefly like summarize like what you are going to do, like how
Yeah.
you're going to, yeah.
So for these categories, I
Mm-hmm.
make the code
Yeah,
from chat, right?
yeah,
And then I'll put it in this Databricks and then it
yeah,
will create these like queries
yeah,
and then those will be what we use for our graph and the percentages.
yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Uh, sure, sounds good. I think like it might look like easy when I'm doing like this, but I think it takes me a while to go through the process like this.
Yeah.
So if you want to try it, I can help you like set up the account.
Or do you think that the graph is necessary to do by this week, or that can be something that I work on next week after we get all the code finalized?
Let me take a look. Uh, So today is 29, we'll meet 31st. Finish one of the, oh, actually, we still have time. Yeah, we still have time actually. We still have 1 week.
Okay.
Yeah, we still have 1 week, so I
So
think
we
that
can
that's cool. Yeah.
just do the coding this week, and then next week will be for the table.
So for the table, it's actually includes in the coding,
Oh,
coding.
the graph, sorry.
Yeah, the graph, like when you code and you create a graph, you just
Oh,
directly use Databrick to create a graph like this.
Oh, okay, okay.
days.
So then, yeah,
But
we'll just finish this by this week.
sure, sure. There's a link. Let me big data. There's a link about like how you can create this account.
Okay.
Let me. So I was, I'm taking this class and we use Databrick. It's actually very helpful.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me give you a link. Are you going to your class later
Yeah.
or no? Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. I
Okay.
can ask my professor about this too.
Sure. Now I'll give you a link later, and just when you are here. Okay, since you're going to class, let's finish this quickly.
Okay.
Um, so you have to go here, come here, compute.
Yeah.
After you create the stuff, compute, you have to create it's like a cloud. So you just create it and you use it. And then when you like new workspace, and then you click on workspace here, import. So I'll give you the link later. So you can just have my link and you can import my notebook.
Okay.
And one last thing is that the thing from what I'm doing right now here is first we identify the first class is the most prone to late delivery. And now what you can do next is to you filter out the data set and to see, okay, what kind of products are more prone to late delivery.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yes.
think
Okay.
that's good. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you
Cool.
so much.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll meet
Um,
again before the class for
what's that?
our group meeting.
What's that?
We'll meet again before our group meeting.
Yeah, let me know if you need any help.
Okay, I will.
Do you need a video?
Yes, please, can you send it?
Yeah, sure. I'll send it after my class.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. And yep.
Yeah,
I'll
thank
see you
you.
later.
See
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.